Hi everyone, in this video I will show you 3 methods to reset Asus TUF Gaming BE6500, 2 methods to create backup of your router's settings to save your time, and also I will show you a way to avoid hard reset if you're considering to do it just to fix some connection issues with your router. Let's get into it right now. So the reset button is on the back panel of your router. It's over here and you don't even need a paper clip to press it. Just use your finger, press and hold the power button until the power indicator starts blinking like this. Now release the button and wait for about 2 minutes until Wi-Fi indicators start glowing solid, and you can set up the router from scratch. You can use this method of hard reset if you need a fresh start. For some reason, if you want to set up access point on your router instead of main router mode, or if you've forgotten administrator password. But also you have more options. You have remote methods to reset the router, and you have ways to restore settings on your router. So now I will show you how to make it as advanced users. First of all, let's talk about backups. Why do you need backups? Let's say you have lots of settings in your router, such as quality of service, parental controls, VPN, LAN settings, and so on. Especially if somebody else helped you to set up the router and now you want to do a hard reset and restore everything just in one tap. In this case, backup is what you need. To do backup is in Asus router application. First of all, I recommend you to log into your Asus account. If you don't have one, don't worry, just tap here. Tap login and select third-party login. They will create account for you automatically. For example, select Google, continue, select your Google account, continue, and just wait. Don't believe this, just hit OK in this window, close account login. Now go back, and as you can see, you logged in under your account, and then go back to settings. Find System Settings and find Setting Backup. Tap here, tap Save Settings. And that's it. Backup of your settings just was created. I recommend you to create backups right after you have successful configuration. You don't need to wait for some problems with your router to create backup. Just set up everything, create a backup, and continue using your router. When you need a hard reset, you can do it. By the way, you can do it from here, and this is the second method to do a hard reset. You can factory reset the router from the application. Just hit yes. And your router will be reset. Then go back to this menu. After a new setup, go to Setting Backup, restore your router, select your latest backup, or maybe this backup, or maybe this one, apply, and enjoy. Your settings will be restored. Also, you can create backup from your computer. It's a bit different process. To do this, you need to access your router's web interface. So stay connected to your router's Wi-Fi network, open a web browser, and type in the router IP address in the search bar. By default, it looks like this, if you or someone else haven't changed it. Then hit enter on your keyboard and it takes you to login page. You need to log in as administrator. You've created these credentials on the router's setup. So enter your username and password, sign in, wait for a while. And now on the left pane, scroll down and find administration over here. Click administration and go to restore/save/upload settings. From here, you also can restore factory defaults, and this is the third method to reset your router. And of course, you can save settings. In this case, if you click on this button, it creates backup file. Now your backup file is saved to your downloads folder. You can save it to more safe place. And then after new setup, after hard reset, you can go back here, upload this file, and your router will be restored to the state it was before hard reset. And finally, if you want to do hard reset to fix some problems, if your router works slowly, if you have slow speed or some other issues with internet connection, instead of hard reset, you can try to do the next thing. First of all, scroll all the way down in this menu, find System Log, then Clear Log over here, and just restart your router. You can do it from system settings in Asus router application here, reboot and yes, or just power off and on back again. And that's pretty it. Probably your problems are going to be fixed. And now you know everything about how to reset and restore your Asus TUF Gaming BE6500, and I hope this was helpful. If yes, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye guys.